Thank you for choosing Whova. We're excited to work with you. You must be curious to see how to set up Whova. Whova's web dashboard makes it easy. Navigate the menu to upload event information, manage attendee lists, publish, and promote the app to your attendees. As an admin, you can preview the app at any time. Here is a quick overview. In the Event Content menu, you can fill in your event information like agenda items, speakers, exhibitors, and sponsors. If you have a lot, just upload it through spreadsheets. You can customize the app's appearance in the Configure App menu, featuring app branding, surveys, document sharing, and other popular features. They're easy to set up with built-in templates and examples. Here, upload and manage all your attendee information. Use our spreadsheet template. Or if you already have your own Excel file, just upload that. If you're using Eventbrite or Reg Online, sign in and connect here. Whova will automatically import and periodically update the attendee list. And if you're using Whova registration, you don't have to do any of this. New registrants will show up here automatically. The attendee information will be used to authenticate users and keep your event private. So only your attendees will see comments on sessions, shared photos, and documents. You can categorize attendees as you want. It helps you send announcements only to a specific group of people, like speakers, and also enables attendees to network with like-minded people more effectively. Create and manage categories here, or conveniently in the attendee spreadsheet. Here, use these tools to create name badges and check in attendees. Once you've set up the app, preview it and publish it to attendees. Even after you've published, you can still update anything through the dashboard. Attendees will see it immediately. Get the word out with convenient custom tools and materials. You've worked hard to set it up, so naturally you want everyone to use it. Some event organizers reach 99% download rates, and you can too with these tips. First, publish your event to the app as early as possible. You'll have one less thing to worry about as the event day approaches. Notify attendees by email using convenient email templates. We can even send them for you. Just let us know. Add the app download button on your event website to drive more downloads. We provide a download widget, and it's easy to copy onto your event website. And if you plan to introduce the app in opening remarks, you don't have to make a slide. Just download it from the dashboard, and it will save you time. Now you have a good overview of the Whova dashboard. In one place, you can manage agenda, attendee list, interactive maps, surveys, document sharing, sponsor banners, exhibitor list, Twitter outlet, photo contest, and many other features. I'm sure that our event consultant has already explained those main features in detail, so we will not go through them and make you bored. Instead, the rest of the video will introduce 6 other features that may look less familiar to you, but many Whova customers found very useful. And these are already included in your Whova package at no additional charge, so don't miss them. Here, let's start with the agenda widget. To create an event agenda on the Whova app, either manually fill in the information step by step or use a spreadsheet to upload it all at once. Then, preview it on your app. Using Whova's agenda widget, you can even create a web page for your event website. The widget is a useful tool if you don't have time to make a web agenda or don't want to hire someone to keep updating it. Now you have a central place to manage both your web and mobile agendas. Any changes will automatically show up in all places. Here's what one event organizer said about Agenda Widget.
We had over 200 sessions, 17 sessions going simultaneously. In terms of putting that information into Whova, it's very easy. We utilize the agenda widget, just need to copy one line into your event website and everything will integrate automatically. And then we did not have to update any changes that we made. It definitely just creates so many efficiencies for us.
Let's see how to create your web and mobile agendas. Go to the Agenda Builder and here, upload your event schedule. Using the spreadsheet template, it's easy to fill in session titles, descriptions, and speaker information. You can make minor updates directly on the dashboard. To make a web agenda, simply copy and paste this line onto your event website. For example, if you are using WordPress, go to the page and find the place to add the agenda. In the editor, click the Text tab and paste the code. That's it. Here you can see the web agenda. If you're using Google Sites, find the Embed button in the menu. Here, go to the second tab, insert the line you copied, and then change the size as you want. Now preview it and publish. If you prefer adding a link to a standalone agenda page instead of embedding the agenda, you can use this URL. The next feature is the announcement feature. It's especially handy during an event. Organizers can send attendees messages using push notifications and emails at the same time. That's 3 times more effective than emails alone, so they can instantly reach the majority of their attendees. That's great when rooms change, a shuttle is canceled, or other last-minute updates. Share event information like Wi-Fi passwords, access to slides, and Twitter hashtags. Or maybe something more unique, like this special cruise tour. JD Qualley sent 63 announcements during his conference. He has this to say.
We were very happy to use the announcements feature because this was a key way for us to communicate with our attendees and keep everyone informed. And so I highly recommend using this feature. And I was told by the organizing team that we upped our engagement 1,000% by choosing Whova this year.
Here's how to send announcements. In the Whova app, go to Admin. There you can send announcements just like you would a text message, or use the dashboard, where it's under the Tools menu. On the Compose page, select Recipients, like specific attendee categories, and write your message. You can send it right away or schedule it for later. It's an easy and effective way to make your voice heard. Next feature explains the event bulletin board. It is a central place for participants to interact with one another and plan social activities. You can even guide conversation by creating topics, like what I'm learning at this event, or share tips for first-timers. Or boost in-person activities with topics like local restaurants. Create those topics early so attendees can start the conversation even before the event. A professional event planner, Danny Johnson, used the bulletin board to create a great effect for her client's event.
Bulletin board was our way of connecting everyone at the summit. So it was our meeting space. We had folks engaged in particular topics initiated by the organizers. The folks were really excited by that, and we are too.
Let's see how to create topics in the bulletin board. Under the Configure App menu, find Bulletin Board and create the topic. Then, on the app, you can post first a few messages to break the ice. There, let the conversation continue naturally. Meanwhile, let's prepare their name badges and plan for door-side check-ins. Your badges should be beautiful. The Whova dashboard already includes a stylish design template, so you can just customize the look and feel. If you need more information, like a title or a QR code, it's easy to add. We support 40 different sizes of badge labels and paper sizes, so there will be no issues with printer compatibility. Print badges in bulk, or make individual badges for last-minute registrants or walk-ins. An organizer, Elizabeth Tolia, loved this feature.
We used a different design. The first was for a speaker's dinner, and then the next day we had our conference that was over 500 people. To generate that many name badges, it was very convenient that it was all just one easy push of a button.
Here's how to make them. First, go to Attendees. If you uploaded a list before, it will still be there. On the Name Badges menu, select your badge and paper size. After customizing the look, Generate badges for all attendees at once or only for specific attendees. Then, preview the badges and print. On the event day, check in attendees fast and easy. Ditch your paper spreadsheet. Simply search for an attendee's name on the Whova dashboard or app and check them in with one click. You can also scan the QR codes in their Whova apps or Whova name badges, and your whole team can work at the same time, so it will be very fast. Next feature is the Speaker Center. It saves you time in collecting and managing speakers' information. Do you usually ask your speakers to email their bios and session information for the event program? That means a ton of back and forth messaging, which can be a tedious mess. For Whova customers, the Speaker Center simplifies that. Organizers set up simple online forms that allow speakers to quickly upload their information and update it if it changes, so it automatically shows up on the app. Organizers also use the speaker widget to create sleek web pages containing their speaker list. When speakers or organizers make changes, Whova automatically updates both the web pages and the app. No manual effort required. Let's hear a story from an organizer who loved the Speaker Center.
We have to manage 150 profile pages of our speakers, and the very good thing of Whova is that people take care of it themselves without any hassle. And of course they want to do that because they want an audience, and so they happily try to make that page nice.
It's easy to use. First, go to the Speaker Center, upload a speaker list, and select the information you'd like to collect through an online form. Then, send it to all the speakers. When they respond, go to the speaker widget, customize the speaker web pages, and embed the widget into your website with a simple copy and paste. It will make your job a lot easier. Now let's talk about the live polling. It's a fun way to make events more interactive. Ask attendees any questions and collect answers instantly. Once attendees vote, they see other people's choices. They can even do it by email, increasing participation. Some events use it to vote for awards like a People's Choice Award. Others grab audience's attention during open remarks. You can even cut food costs by seeing how many attendees plan to go to the last day's lunch and quickly adjust the order. Event organizer Dr. John Iverson found the live polling useful at his National Association conference.
People like doing polls. It's just kind of fun to see where you fit, in the whole group. And I think we had a pretty good response and just had a lot of fun with. It's kind of a chance to find out more about the attendees that you maybe wouldn't actually know.
It's easy to create a poll on the dashboard. Start at Configure App. Build it from scratch, or use the examples and templates for a starting point. Simply write a question, provide options for answers, and schedule the polling start time. When polling starts, attendees will receive a notification on the app. You can see live results at any time, and even display the resulting web page on a big screen. Pretty cool! It's already in your Whova dashboard, so don't forget to use it. That's it! Now you are ready to dive in. It's easy to set them up, but if you have questions, don't worry. We're here to help.
Hello, this is Josh.
Hi, I'm Jason.
And Carmel. This might be new to you, but not to worry, we have the whole team here to help you.